Good day to you, our distinguished viewers, and happy new month to you. Today I'll be teaching you how to repair a LED lamp without using a soldering iron. The first thing to do is to check the light bulb to see if it's actually functioning or not. You can see it's not working. I remove the diffuser from the lamp. First of all, we'll look for a burnt out LED, that is light emitting diode. I take tweezers. It is desirable that the tweezers be isolated. I'm trying to check which of the LED is actually faulty. I finally discovered the one that is faulty, so I have to remove it. We take an old simple pencil and extract graphite. Graphite must be conductive. It is advisable to check it for quality before starting. I use an indicator that I purchased online to check. We take a couple of drops of super glue and add graphite to it. I make a mixture of glue and graphite. Thick and viscous. Then I take a little of the mixture on the tip of the knife and apply it to the contacts. At the same time, I press the mixture firmly against the contacts with tweezers. I pressed it so well. If the mixture no longer sticks, I press it with my finger. The repair of my LED bulb was successful. I attach the diffuser back to its place. And the light bulb is now ready for use again.
I love Extract Infos. Kindly like, share and subscribe.